Hi and welcome to my channel. Live Well. Today I'm going to be growing some corn. I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm planting that, and hopefully over time we can just show the progress and see how things are going. And here are the corn I'll be growing. So I had them growing indoors, so for about a month. Got some holes ready here, so I'm gonna get ready to plant them in these holes. Yeah, a nice root system. Get a close up on that. This is one of the red ones I'll be growing. Right. So I've already made the hole. Simply just secure it in the hole like that, and I'll just backfill it. Yes guys, like I said, keep the gardening simple. Alright, so there's another hole that I had already made, not too deep. So about the length of your hand, because the root has all the you got the compost already around the root, so that'll make up for the space. Alright, so let's grab this one here, get ready to put it in the next hole. Alright, I'm not gonna have to press pause to get out. 1 sec. But yeah, you get the idea basically, guys. I'm gonna carry on with it and then just show you the progress as it's going along. Alright, that's what it looks like. It's finished now. I didn't actually do the whole row, so the part at the bottom that I had prepared initially. So that one can just stay down there for now. Yeah, but it's looking good. Alright guys, on that I'm gonna say live well, together we grow.